Hi guys, Chox here, and welcome back to my channel for today's video. I saw it on the internet playlist. So we've had a little wee tiny bit of a problem with a wasp nest, and today I was surfing through Facebook and I saw this quick and easy recipe for a wasp nest bait to help lure wasps and catch them and whatnot, and you know, three easy ingredients, and it's gonna work like magic. So I thought, because we have this ginormous wasp nest, I would make the recipe and check it out in a high wasp location. We are going to have to spray this and we are going to have to knock it down, but it needs to be done in a safe manner. So I'll show you what we're up against when I get this stuff mixed. But if this is supposed to attract wasps as much as it says it's going to, I don't want to do it over there because the thing is huge. Okay, let's have a look at the recipe. Okay, so this recipe calls for 6 ounces of vinegar, which is 3/4 of a cup, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Yep, this is what we're doing. So I have 3/4 of a cup of vinegar here. I've got the salt and the sugar there put together. Okay, so here we are ready to do Wasp Be Gone 2. This is just an old pop bottle, soda bottle, whatever. We're going to leave the cap off. That way the wasps can get into the bottle. Okay, so here by our patio we have this barbecue skeleton, and I set the bottle right there and I left it open right now because right above and in behind right there, you guys see how big that is? And it is very, very active. They have done such a fantastic job of building that so large. But unfortunately it's got to go. I think these are the same guys that are stealing all the honey or the sugar water up at the hummingbird feeder. So yes, that is the ginormous wasp nest that we need to remove before we can get our roof done. And it's very busy. And that's the squirrels you hear. So the brief time that I've been out here, I have not seen an interest from a wasp in that pop bottle there with the magic recipe in it. So I'm going to leave it out here for a few hours and I'll come and check on it, and hopefully before the sun goes down we'll have an opinion about this. We'll see if it works. Okay, so day 2 of this wonderful wasp trap has given me nothing, not even a fruit fly. I honestly was concerned about the vinegar because I've never really, you know that old phrase, you can catch more flies with honey than you can with vinegar? Well, this one is a fail. Okay, do not use that recipe. Man, fail. Cut. Psh, cut it out. So I'm going to go dump that out and then I'm going to show you what I'm going to do. Okay, so let's take this back to things that we know. I know that wasps like fruit juice at every picnic. So I've got some old pineapple juice from the fridge. I was going to dump it out, but I added some sugar water to it because wasps like sweet things too. They've been at the sugar water at the fairy garden at the hummingbird feeder. So I'm just going to pour this into here. This is just old fruit juice and sugar. So go with what you know, right? I will come out in a bit and see if it has caught anything in our Wasp Be Gone trap 2. Alright, I'm getting out of here. Okay, so I moved the waspy trap gone out to the fairy garden where they've been eating at the hummingbird feeder. And I've caught no wasps. I've caught some ants, but I have not caught any wasps. So, very interesting. Wonder if I can catch more ants. So I'm gonna go ahead and say this is a big old fail on the fail meter of catching wasps. There are wasps eating something here. Where am I? Where is it? Where is it? Can you see that? Oh, the poor dog. So maybe if I spill a little bit of this out, lure some wasps and some ants. There we go. But I'm going to go ahead and say fail on the wasp trap. Alright you guys, that is it for me. I think it's on to try to find another wasp trap recipe maybe. But that concludes this one. It sucks. They both sucked. Don't try it. Alright. Thanks for hanging out with me. Feel free to click one of these boxes hanging out around my head. It'll take you to another YouTube recommended video or the playlist that you found this. And I will see you next time on the channel. Please like and hit that notification button, subscribe and do all that other stuff. And I'll see you next time. Bye!